Welcome back to CoinIQ's journey through the world of cryptocurrencies. In this episode, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of cryptocurrency exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges, the heart of crypto trading. Cryptocurrency exchanges are the heartbeat of the digital asset ecosystem. They are the online marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. These exchanges come in different shapes and sizes, each with its unique features and offerings. Now, before we plunge deeper into the intricacies of cryptocurrency exchanges, let's first understand the fundamental difference between centralized and decentralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges. Centralized exchanges, often referred to as CEXs, are the more traditional type of cryptocurrency exchanges. They act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers, much like a stock exchange. Here's how they work. Order matching. When you place an order on a centralized exchange, it goes into the exchange's order book. The exchange takes care of matching buy and sell orders. Custody of funds. CEXs usually hold custody of your funds, meaning they keep your cryptocurrencies in their wallets. While this can make trading more straightforward, it also means you're entrusting your assets to a third party. Regulation. Many CEXs operate under regulatory frameworks, which can provide a sense of security but also come with some limitations. Speed and liquidity. CEXs are known for their speed and high liquidity, making them ideal for traders who need quick executions. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX, operate on blockchain technology and follow the principles of decentralization. No intermediaries. DEX eliminate intermediaries, allowing users to trade directly from their wallets. This peer-to-peer model aligns with the core principles of cryptocurrencies. Custody of funds. In a DEX, you retain control of your funds. There's no need to deposit your assets into the exchange before trading. Privacy and security. DEXs often prioritize user privacy and security as they don't require you to disclose personal information. Regulation. DEX may operate in a more regulatory gray area as they don't have the same level of control as CEXs. Speed and liquidity. While DEX offer increased security and control, they may have lower liquidity and slower transaction times compared to CEXs. Now that you understand the basic difference between centralized and decentralized exchanges, let's explore why this distinction matters and how to choose the right exchange for your needs. Cryptocurrency trading strategies. Navigating the digital seas. As you step into the world of cryptocurrency exchanges, it's essential to have a game plan. Crypto trading isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's about navigating a dynamic and sometimes volatile market. Let's delve into some popular trading strategies to help you make informed decisions. Day trading. Day traders buy and sell cryptocurrencies within the same day, taking advantage of short-term price fluctuations. This strategy requires quick decision-making and a deep understanding of market trends. Hodling. Hodling is a term derived from the acronym Hold On for Dear Life. This strategy involves buying cryptocurrencies and holding on to them for the long term. Hodlers believe in the future value of their assets and resist the urge to sell during market fluctuations. Swing trading. Swing traders aim to profit from the swings or price fluctuations in the market. They may hold assets for a few days or weeks, looking for opportunities to buy low and sell high. Arbitrage. Arbitrage traders take advantage of price differences for the same asset on different exchanges. They buy on the exchange with the lower price and sell on the one with the higher price, making a profit from the spread. Scalping. Scalpers make quick small trades to profit from minor price movements. They often execute a large number of trades in a single day, aiming for small gains with each. Diversification. Diversifying your portfolio means spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies. This strategy aims to reduce risk by not putting all your eggs in one basket. Risk management. Successful trading includes effective risk management. This involves setting stop-loss orders, determining your risk tolerance, and not investing more than you can afford to lose. Keep in mind that no single strategy guarantees success in the cryptocurrency market. It's essential to research, stay informed, and continually adapt your approach to changing market conditions. As we wrap up this episode on cryptocurrency exchanges and trading strategies, remember that the world of crypto is both exciting and ever-evolving. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the possibilities. That's a wrap for cryptocurrency exchanges. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into the world of self-custody and explore the importance of cryptocurrency wallets. Until then, keep the crypto spirit alive, and we'll see you soon on CoinIQ.